name is Dominika. I'm from Poland. They're so fluffy! And we are both from the foil team. For sure, I want to see more of the city. The atmosphere here, like I said, it's very welcoming, very warm. I think they are playing hide and seek and he forgot to hide. I want to check out the shops and my family, because my dad loves cooking, and he asked me for some spices from here, maybe like some special things that only here you can get, so he can actually try to do Chinese food at home. So I can't wait to see more of the city. This is soup as well, and this one, what is it?
Beef jerky.
Beef!
Oh, no.
Yeah, what?
No.
Hey, very smooth. To be honest, I was open-minded for everything. Maybe not the pigtails, but for everything. Or maybe not the brains. Yeah, the brains shocked me as well. Oh yeah. I would love to have it at my place. Yeah, and this, oh, it's so pretty here. My whole family, my coach and everyone at home wants a magnet, because it's like tradition for Polish people that if you're traveling and you're getting back, you usually get the magnet for them from the place that you travel.
Oh, I'm so sorry, you have to watch this. Maybe I need to go more often to China. She was doing something in my ear, but I didn't know what she's doing. I felt that she's going so deep, but it was not painful or something. It was like kind of nice.
Welcome to Chengdu, China.
好嘛，
Chengdu is a beautiful city.
哎呀呀，
我会的都交代完了，
是吧？
待会儿你这听不清楚的话，旁边帮他翻译一下。
I was shocked that you just go from the alley to the theater there, and you have such a good level of acting there. So yeah, I really was in shock. Just in shock.
我呀，你今天把这个油点儿顶在你这个黄上。
我开玩笑，大哥。
The whole show was really nice. There was a lot of colors, but they are coming together. For example, the scene that they were playing the wife and the husband, and they were speaking Chinese the whole time. But I was like, okay, I get the husband he's trying to be funny about the wife, saying the wife is getting mad at him, but she's doing terrible things as well. She's always like this. And yeah, I really like that. It was the funniest part there. I really like the fact that it was not such a sophisticated thing, because in Poland we need to dress up to go there. We need to be very fancy, very official. And here we came, there were a table, it's nothing official. You weren't stressing that you will do something that you can't, or something like this.
这个叫剑衣，
剑衣？
对。
This is archery.
武生小生都可以穿。枪花。
Oh, be careful. That was difficult.
这个剑衣呢，武生和小生都可以穿。这个也可以说是小生说吕布系貂蝉，就可以穿一身白的，然后带两个名字，就这么着吧。
I think that the traditional culture here, it's more accessible. Even trying to introduce you to the culture, even though you're not looking for a museum, you will go on the street and you will see the traditional, the wearing the whole outfit, the traditional mask sometimes. These small traditional things that are giving this whole vibe of like the old town, for example, like those lanterns, the costumes, the small things. They are trying to preserve it and put it everywhere so everyone can see it and remember the traditional way of, let's say, even art. You're more open-minded. I was in the alley and it was really pretty. Let's say the original buildings. It was like very neutral, like you have a pleasure to look at those streets, okay? Even if it's like a narrow alley and you have a lot of people, it's still nice to watch because you can still see and feel the atmosphere there.